Hello everyone, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the trade or stock of the day, and today it's MCRB. Not because it has had an incredible run from when I got the alert, but I want to show you what it looks like on the daily, on the weekly and the monthly chart. So first of all, MCRB, it's an earnings play, okay? So they released earnings, I think, yes, they released this morning. No real big reaction. I mean, wasn't bad, but then market open and it just absolutely exploded. Now, this came in on my option scanner at 862. The actual alert came in at 862. I actually traded it and got out and then got back in, and I'm still back in this trade right now. But why I'm really kind of interested in this is let's take a look at the daily chart, or say the monthly chart, or a weekly chart. Look at this, guys. So I can't remember. I sort of remember this was This was not in. Probably it was one day that this happened. This is the weekly candle though. So look what could possibly happen. They have earnings. It's got rid of all this now, and this is what I call potentially second, third, fourth, who knows how many days, continuation off earnings. Now, I don't know. It may just stall right at 9 and come right back down for all the reasons that it dropped here. I mean, a lot of them are probably still relevant. This happened in July. But nonetheless, I mean, when traders look at something like this, they just look at the potential gap fill. So I'm going to be definitely watching this one if it closes well. Closing well for me means it needs to close near the high of the day. It doesn't have to, right at the high of the day. But I don't want to see, for instance, it do something like this. Come all the way back down here, then it's not interesting to me at all. But if it can close, especially if it can get through that whole number of 9 and, just, hang tough, and then let's just see what happens tomorrow, because there's a massive gap for this to fill. So that is the trade or stock of the day, MCRB. I want to get back into the trading room. Any questions for me, you can use this email address. I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Have a great evening, everybody, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.